So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to compare engagement across different social media platforms using Buffer, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter. We will see which platform performs best for your content. Without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, start by logging into your Buffer account through www.buffer.com. And once you're in, your dashboard looks like this. Then you have on this side, you have the channel connected on your Buffer account. Then this side, you have the new post, the calendars, and all other features that you can use. Then here, up here, there's these tabs that you have: create, publish, analyze, engage, and start page. And our main thing today is to compare the engagement across different or multiple media. So for example, here I've only connected two medias. I've connected the Facebook page and also have the Instagram. So if I want to see the content that I've posted on these media, I want to see how it's performing on different media. What I will do, I just go directly and click on this tab that is called Analyze. So I'll click on it. Then it will immediately take me to another section where now I can see all the information on different social medias that I can analyze. So it takes time, but give it time based on how faster your machine is. So here you will see the total audience, the total impression, and the total engagement that you have on different social media that you have. So let's say, for example, I want to check out on Facebook. When I click on Facebook, you can see it gives me this section where now I can see the average performance. I can see the daily average engagements, daily average impression, daily average clicks, and I can also access the matrix and be able also to see the total fans that are watching my channel. And I can also go ahead and see which post is doing better, because here now I can see I have the post summary, I have the hashtags that are helping me boost my work to more viewers and all that. Then I can also see the post insights from this section. So this one gives you a better look and the best analysis to see which post is doing better. Maybe later you can also reuse it or repost it to reach more people. And that is it. Now you know how to compare engagement across all your social media platforms using Buffer. It's a great way to understand where your content performs best and where you can improve. So if this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.